Hey there, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and we are touring our third and final over-the-water bungalow in Bora Bora this time. Check it out. Excited to show you guys this place, and we'd love to have you subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment if you've been here or if you have any thoughts on places to stay in French Polynesia. This is kind of a dream come true. Come on in. So first of all, you'll notice this place is set up a little bit different. It's very modern and it's more of a studio. So there's not like a separate bathroom per se. It's kind of open. Let's start over there actually, because this was kind of quirky. We do have a full length mirror in the entry, which is nice. Hi to Ben. So this is there's a toilet room here. And then there's a shower. They've got very modern tile. So Ben and I are both like, whoa, this doesn't feel that islandy. It's very modern, which is, you know, it does have a little bit of the wood accent detail in the bathroom. And there's some things that are a little bit islandy, but I was surprised how modern it is. Really pretty finishes, this vanity with the oval mirrors. And then we've got the lighted makeup mirror. They do have a bench and a scale, which I thought was rude because it's a vacation in Bora Bora, so you should not include a scale, Westin. Kidding, I'm sure some people love that. But anyway, so the bed here in the middle, it has the integrated nightstand. So of course a lot of these design details I can appreciate, but it was just so different. And it's funny because I booked it online, and I think that our friend over at the Last Resort was saying that they recently remodeled this. So maybe that's it. Maybe it's because it's freshly remodeled. It doesn't have as much of that island flavor. I will also mention all of the places we have stayed have had breakfast included, but this one did not. And I'm still a little mad about it. I have gotten on a schedule of eating breakfast and a buffet style and all of the island fruit that I want. And now I have no breakfast unless I pay for it. And this place was expensive. Okay, enough. But I am uncertain how to handle my life at this point. So, one thing cool, this has the integrated charger ports just like the last place. If you didn't see the last two videos from the series of Mollie tours French Polynesian huts over the water, go check out those two because I want you to vote. I want to see who is the winner of these three. I'm curious what you guys like, what things we prioritize and value in a place to stay. So love that they do have that integrated. That's nice. Ben said the bed is bolted to the floor, so you can get a little rowdy. Sorry, keeping my videos clean. But the bed doesn't move, so that's nice. Over in this corner, we do have a fun little towel tree. Loofahs included, body scrubber in a plastic. So, are we testing it? Yeah, it's like an island style one. Look at that. It's got some like texture. It's an island loofah. Okay. Anyways, got those included. And a really big tub. The tub is huge and I kind of appreciate that their bath mat is like a soft, cozy one. That's kind of nice. We've got the floor window, so it's pretty big. I mean, it honestly is a little nerve-wracking to walk on, like my left. But hopefully we'll see some fish and creatures down there. We'll go outside in a second, but I want to show you the rest of this place. They did do a good job, I think, of really adding a living type space, you know, bathroom, like for it being a single room. And it does have beautiful details. I want to point up at the ceiling. We do have that really beautiful ceiling with a ceiling fan and then a cool light over by the tub as well. Those details are really beautiful. And then the artwork looks, yeah, like kind of a wave, but very modern. So if you guys like a modern place, this is the most modern we've stayed at. And then they did give us some champagne, looks like, which we sadly won't be using, so we can call the room service to take it. We don't drink, weird fact, but they did also give us some nuts. These are, Bon Bon Cocoa coconut candy. And this is the nuts. Mélange bien-être. Wellness mix in English. I do want to bring to light that our friend at the last resort, Laurent, he told me that I have a good French accent and I am now going to learn French by the end of this year, so hold me to it. And so I could read these again. Bonbon coco and mélange bien-être. I don't think that was the last word. Être. Anyway, I'm gonna learn French, so it's gonna be fun. They have a little sofa here. So this one does not have the daybed, but they do have a sofa and a large TV. This one has the largest TV. So this is probably what I would say is the most Americanized of the resorts. It is a Westin, and so that makes sense. Oh, they did give us, let's talk about these. They did give us these water bottles, very hardy. Includes a strainer of sorts. I don't know why. Ben pointed that out. I don't really understand. It's like a little, it's like those are in like pans, like cooking pots. Like make your vegetables in that. I'm so confused, but seems nice. Paid for it, I'm sure. Okay, so coming over here, I do like this resort. I'm just being a brat because of the breakfast. It's because of the breakfast. This is a really pretty piece, I thought, and cool because this is the integrated mini bar. Yeah. So just those are my dates that I purchased. It is not a stocked mini bar. Also not thrilled about that. But this is a really beautiful stone top and then just really cool detail on that piece. They've got they do have a coffee maker if you're a coffee drinker. They have that for you. Usual stuff. Okay, let's step outside. Ooh, here we go. Okay, so this one has a little sitting area on this side, which is nice. So you can eat out here. And then we've got our deck to below. Love the rope detail. And then over here, they do have very nice, I will say, very nice lounges. I like that these are with your towel, but that they're cushioned. And the view here is quite stunning. We've got, of course, the lagoon, so this is great for swimming in. A little more depth here than some, because I can't quite see, I can see the bottom, but it looks like it's a little bit more like maybe 8 or 9 feet instead of that like 5 or 6 feet that some of them are. But beautiful view out to the palm tree island, and of course step down here to go to your actual water spot. Yeah, this is a little ways down. That's adventurous. All right, so this is the tour. Let me know in comments which of the 3 resorts you guys like the best. Where would you want to stay? And let's just for the sake of my survey, don't take into consideration that the prices vary a little. I want to hear just based on what the amenities are. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.